How's it going, guys? My name is Eclipse, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to record your computer screen for free using OBS. So to download OBS, all you need to do is you need to go to this link, obsproject.com, or you can just search up OBS on Google, and the top link is the one you want to click on. Once you click on that, and you should be taken to this page, you can just click on download OBS Studio, and you can download whichever one you require, whichever one matches your operating system. So I would download Windows because that's what I am working on. And once I've downloaded it, I can begin recording my screen. First off, you have to have display capture checked, otherwise it will not capture the screen. And then to start recording, all you'd want to do is click start recording, but mine says stop recording because of course I am recording right now this video. So let me just run you through my settings that I have. First we're going to go into video, and because I'm recording currently, I can't edit the settings. So the base canvas resolution I have at 1280 by 720, same with the output resolution. And if you want to make this higher, you can, but I think 720 is a good roundabout for me, for my PC. My downscale filter is Lanczos at sharpened scaling with 32 samples, and I make sure I always record in 60 frames per second so that it always gets that crisp video footage. If you're having trouble when you record and it's a black screen, as I did when I first had OBS, and I couldn't record, I had looked it up, I couldn't find anything, but I did find out that if you disable the arrow and you have that checked, it does affect your recording. So if you're having troubles, just try and disable the arrow and that should fix it. My audio settings, I just have left them all at default because I don't record my audio through OBS. I do record it through Audacity, which will be the next tutorial coming up next week, so make sure you check that out. For output, if you go into recording, I have my output mode at the default advanced tab, so if you make yours advanced, you should have yours with similar settings to mine. I record my videos in MP4 because I just like that format the best. Really, this is up to you, whichever format you want to record in. And I make sure that all my videos save to that my videos file. Then with my rate control, I make sure it's on CBR. And the bitrate, this is something I want to talk about because I have mine on 10,000, and if I put mine quite a bit higher, it does make the video recording a bit better. However, it does slow down the PC, makes it get really hot, and I prefer to keep it lower. It gives it like a good quality while still having it not ruin my PC. So I have it at 10,000. Anywhere in between 5,000 and 100,000 I think would be acceptable when making a video. So whichever settings your PC can handle, try and crank it up to the biggest that you can do to get the highest quality possible video. The rest of it is the default settings. In advanced, everything's just the default. The file name, I just make it automatically be the date and the time that it was recorded, and then once I finish recording it, I will just change the file name to whatever it may be. The hotkeys, I don't use hotkeys. Feel free to put these in yourself, but I know that if I use hotkeys, I will almost guarantee to hit one of them while I'm recording and stuff up the recording somehow. So I do not use these. I just click the buttons on the side. So this here is the display capture, and you will see this. You have to make sure that it's on, like I said, when you're recording, otherwise you'll just record a black screen. And if this still happens with a black screen and when you record, you need to make sure you have a scene check, so you can add one here, and just make sure you add scene. And that is it for my video settings. So guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it or found it useful. If you did, make sure to leave a like or maybe even subscribe. And I know it was a bit of a boring video, but it should be a useful tutorial if you're looking to start a YouTube channel. And if you do have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below so that I will be able to answer them. I'll be happy to do so if you leave them in the comments. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.